The bane of baseboards. Dust and static's unwanted collaboration. Baseboards. We love them, but they get so dusty. It's the bane of our existence. We clean and clean, but the dust always seems to return. Why does this happen? The answer lies in static electricity. Darker baseboards tend to attract more dust. They show it more clearly too. This can make us feel like we're constantly battling dust bunnies. But don't worry, there's a simple solution. Dryer sheet. Dryer sheets are a cleaning superhero in disguise. We know them for making our laundry soft and static-free. But did you know they can work the same magic on your baseboards? Dryer sheets contain anti-static agents. These agents neutralize the static charge on surfaces. This prevents dust from clinging and makes your baseboards less of a dust magnet. Plus, dryer sheets are easy to use and readily available. You likely already have some in your laundry room. This makes them a convenient and affordable solution to combat dust. Ready to say goodbye to dusty baseboards? Here's your step-by-step guide to using dryer sheet. 1. Grab a dryer sheet. Take a fresh dryer sheet from the box. You don't need a lot. One sheet goes a long way. 2. Wipe down your baseboards. Run the dryer sheet along the surface of your baseboards. Use a gentle back and forth motion to remove any existing dust. 3. Don't forget the corners. Pay extra attention to corners and hard to reach areas. These spots tend to accumulate more dust. 4. Behind furniture too. Don't forget to wipe down the baseboards behind furniture. These areas are often neglected but can harbor a lot of dust. Section 4. Proof in the pictures. Witness the dryer sheet difference. Seeing is believing. Check out these before and after photos to see the magic of dryer sheets in action. As you can see, the dryer sheet removed the dust and left the baseboard looking clean and shiny. But the real magic is in the dust-repelling properties. Over time, the treated baseboard will stay cleaner for longer. This means less frequent cleaning and more time to enjoy your dust-free home. Section 5. Beyond baseboards, dryer sheets, the unsung heroes of dust prevention. Dryer sheets are incredibly versatile. Don't limit their dust-busting power to just baseboards. Here are a few other places where dryer sheets can work their magic. Ceiling fans. Wipe down ceiling fan blades with a dryer sheet to prevent dust from accumulating. Electronics. Gently dust your TV screens, computer monitors, and lamps with a dryer sheet to repel dust. Car interior. Use a dryer sheet to wipe down your car dashboard and console to keep them dust-free. Try the dryer sheet hack today. You'll be amazed by the results. Enjoy a cleaner, dust-free home with this simple and effective hack.